Have you ever wondered what fluid-applied flooring is and why so many industrial facilities choose it for their floors? Industrial and commercial spaces need flooring that can handle heavy use, stay clean, and keep workers safe. Traditional floors like tile, vinyl, or bare concrete often fall short because seams, grout lines, and porous surfaces allow moisture, bacteria, and chemicals to get underneath. Fluid-applied flooring is a resin-based system that starts out as a liquid and then cures into a seamless surface that bonds directly to the concrete below. When it cures, the entire floor becomes one continuous surface without voids, seams, or gaps. That seamless design is a major advantage in demanding environments, where durability and cleanliness matter most. Common types of fluid-applied systems include epoxy, urethane cement, and polyaspartic coatings. Each can be customized for thickness, texture, and finish to meet your facility's needs. The process begins with thorough surface preparation because the concrete must be mechanically profiled to ensure strong adhesion. Once the surface is ready, the resin is mixed and poured onto the floor in liquid form. As it bonds to the substrate, it creates a tight connection that forms a highly durable surface. Installers may also broadcast decorative or functional aggregates into the wet coating to increase texture, slip resistance, and strength. When the material cures, the result is a floor that stands up to chemicals, heavy traffic, moisture, and frequent cleaning. One of the biggest benefits of fluid-applied flooring is its seamless, non-porous surface. In an environment like food plants, pharmaceutical labs, chemical processing facilities, and commercial kitchens, seams and grout lines are major places for dirt, bacteria, and moisture to hide. Fluid-applied floors eliminate those problem areas and make it much easier to maintain a clean, hygienic environment. These systems are also incredibly durable. Once cured, fluid-applied floors resist abrasion, impact, and wear from heavy machinery, pallet jacks, and constant foot and vehicle traffic. Epoxy and urethane cement options offer excellent resistance to chemicals, oils, solvents. That durability makes them ideal for warehouses, manufacturing facilities, laboratories, garages, and high-traffic commercial spaces. Safety is another advantage because these floors can be engineered with textures that improve traction and reduce slip hazards. You can choose the level of texture to match your environment, whether you need easy cleaning or enhanced grip in wet or greasy areas. Fluid-applied systems also require less maintenance than tile or vinyl because there are no grout lines to clean or frequent patches to repair. Simple sweeping, mopping, or power scrubbing is usually all that is needed to keep these floors looking great and performing well. Because the material bonds directly to the concrete, it helps prevent dusting and reduces airborne particles in your facility. That's a big benefit for facilities with tight sanitation standards or busy maintenance schedules. If you are considering fluid-applied flooring for your space, know that it is one of the most versatile, durable, and low-maintenance options available. It can transform production plants, warehouses, laboratories, food plants, and more into clean, safe, and more efficient spaces. Talk to us to find out if a fluid-applied system is right for your facility.